I had to stand up.
Oh, what do you mean you got to stand up? Okay, we're going to give you some hot stocks, okay? We're going to give you some hot stocks to buy for the new year. Okay, we definitely want
Happy New Year.
everybody to
Fireworks.
be safe. To be safe. Be safe.
What kind of investment is fireworks?
See, you know what? That's we talking about. And stocks investment. She talking about spending money again. Here we go. Spending money again. Spending money again.
Fireworks is on his way to be on the S&P 500.
Spending money. Okay, no, we're not spending money.
I love fireworks. Our family loves fireworks. Be honest.
I do. I love fireworks too. I love fireworks too, but let's get into some money plays.
So the clips are all the fireworks, all the years.
Okay, all right, we're gonna get to the money play. The first one is JPM, boy. JP Morgan, them. You know that's the bank, okay? They definitely had a little rough, little setback a little bit. They turned their prices down low right now.
Explain
like
to the viewers, why would you invest in a bank as a stock investor?
Why would I invest in the bank as a stock investor?
In that bank.
In that bank, for one, they wanted the old dogs, the original. You know, they wanted the OGs in the game. They've been there. JP and Morgan, they old school. They've been there. They've been steady, baby. They've been steady, safe. Dividends, okay? That's what I like about them, okay? So that's why I'm rolling with JP and Mortgage, okay?
So they've been taking people money for a long time because, you know, that's what banks do.
Yes, but I'm pimping. This is stock market pimping. I'm not giving my money to them. I'm only lending in my money so I can get more money.
Okay, JP on the list.
All right. Next, we're going to go with Tattooed Chef, ticker symbol TTCF. That's something new in the game, baby. Tattooed Chef. They got a 22 million estimated revenue, okay? And that doubled since last year, okay? Tattooed Chef is moving on up. It's something new. I think it's definitely going to be something big in the future.
What is that?
Tattooed Chef. We got to pull up on your phone right here. I like to read and give our viewers the correct information. You know, Money Coach ain't going to do that no more. Not this year. Tattooed Chef. Yep. That's why you edit the video. Why you looking for the Tattooed Chef? Tattooed Chef. There go right there. Tattooed Chef is sitting right now at $24.96. You can buy if you want right now, because I tell you it's gonna lit.
What is it?
Up. Let's go. Tattooed Chef is formally merged with a corporation. It is a plant-based food company, baby. It's a Tattooed Chef. You know what I'm saying? It's a food-based company. The company offers a portfolio of plant-based food products, okay? The company products include ready-to-eat cook bowls, zucchini spirals, rice cauliflower, akaya, and smoothie bowls, and cauliflower pizza crust, which are available in the frozen food section of retail stores across the United States. Okay,
a vegetable smoothie bowl.
Yes, the new health thing. Everybody's trying to get healthy. They're eating rice as cauliflower. You know what I'm saying? Cauliflower. They're breaking it down into rice. So these people got bowls already set up. They got the smoothies. They got the akaya berry. That's the stuff to give you the inside, the antioxidants.
Let me find out you buying a cauliflower smoothie bowl.
No, I'm not going to invest in them because other people buy cauliflower smoothie bowls, and I just want to profit off of them buying the cauliflower smoothie bowls. But Tattooed Chef is doing their thing, baby. Okay, they moving through the pandemic, and it's a food chain. So the food chain breaking chains through the pandemic. I'm rocking with them. Tattooed Chef, TTCF. Okay, let's go on to the next one. We're gonna go Boots. Okay, everybody, Walgreens, Boots. Walgreens does more than just pharmacy, baby. Okay, they sell all kind of little stuff in there that you need, little knickknacks. Boots, that's the nickname. Yes, the Walgreens Boots. The ticker symbol is WBA.
Walgreens don't sell boots.
They don't. Yes, they do. They probably do sell some boots. I know they high on their ink. I know that they high on their ink. I don't like that. I don't even shop that. But go ahead and shop that if you do, because I'm be buying.
To the viewers that what you're saying is stock market lingo. Because they sitting up here, you're confused. You're talking about Walmart and boots and shit.
Well, once you look it up, then you will see the boots. You're going to see the boots. Walmart, WBA.
Tattoo chef.
They got a 5% dividend yield, okay? So that's a dividend company, baby. Another dividend company, okay? We love the dividend companies. I'm going to hit you with the last one, DBX. DBX, Dropbox, okay? They got a $10 billion market cap, okay? $10 billion.
What is a market cap?
A market cap is the price, is the money that they got to reinvest, to buy other companies, to make big moves. If they want to open up some more stores, that's the market cap. That's how much money they got in the market to capitalize, to go ahead and increase the profits and get it going, baby. Okay? DBX Dropbox. They sitting at $24.65 right now as we speak. And Dropbox is an online company that provides online file storage and sharing services. So it's an online platform that you can, still store your files and all that stuff. The cloud, baby. Everybody know about the cloud. The company provides a Dropbox collaboration platform which enables users to create, access, organize, share, collaborate, and secure the content, baby. So they keeping it secure. You can share it to your wifey over there. You can do all that stuff, okay? Its Dropbox paper allow users to co-author content, tag others, assign tasks with due dates, enable the comment on files, tables, checklists, and code snippets in real time, okay? So they doing their thing. That's another jewel right there. Dropbox. So what you gonna do now? So which out of those you think you like most? What sounds more interesting? The tattoo chef, you know what I'm saying, with the cauliflower rice?
The Walgreens boots, none of their names match what they actually are, so...
You know what? I said the same thing. I was like, how's Walgreens boots? But this boots, boots. That's
a tattoo chef. Nobody would have never thought it was like smoothie cauliflower bowls.
You're absolutely right. So you got a tattoo chef like he just got the joint, and he got nothing but tattoos up. And he talking about, so you want some cauliflower rice bowl, smoothie bowl. Hey, I'm with that. That sounds like that's gonna be a hit. I'm feeling that.
It's hitting.
Yes, it's hitting. It's gonna hit. What tattoo chef? I'll tell you what tattoo chef. Boy, I'm investing in that just so I can show viewers. Tattoo chef, your boy investing in it. The money coach already going in. Okay. I
won't invest in anything I'm not gonna eat.
Tattoo chef.
I might ride it though, just cause y'all eating it.
All right, let's get to the other money plays. But we get y'all kind of money plays. Ticker symbol MVIS. Ticker symbol MVIS. It's a laser beam technical company. Okay.
What's the name of the company? Don't give them the ticker symbol. Give them the name of the company.
No, I give them ticker symbols now because we in the stock market lingo. I'm not going to just be giving you names. Check out the ticker symbol. That way you can see the price and you can start researching it. Trying to get you to learn how to research. I'm not going to give it to you everything, baby. Ticker symbol MVIS. Okay. They just got on the Yahoo Finance. They just wrote an article about them. They sitting at, I like them to buy them around $6. Okay, so $6, and I'm gonna ride them up to about 10 to 15. If you had like $500, for example, I would put $150 when it hits $6.
Moving on.
Just cut me off. I'm just trying to get good jewels, and now you know what? Go to the money plays. Next money play is CLNE, clean energy, baby. Okay, just like
I'm with that one. I'm about that one.
Clean energy. I like to buy them around $8. Okay, so $8. I see them. Holla at the 8, baby. Okay.
Penny stock?
Yes, pennies. We talking about the penny stocks now. Okay. Now we gonna move up to another one and graduate a little bit for the little ballers out there. You got a little more change than them little penny stocks. You know what I'm saying? All right. The ticker symbol is CLA. Okay, CLA. It's a SPAC company. Okay. It's a Blake check company. A SPAC company, I know you hear about those in the stock market. A SPAC company is a blank check company. So for example, Warren Buffett.
Is they gonna give me a blank check?
You know what I'm saying? So Warren Buffett, just say you Warren Buffett, he the king, dividend. He got stacks on stacks on stacks on stacks. All right, now fuck. All right, he gonna do his thing. Now I'm gonna start my own company
Potty mouth.
Yep, got me. I did. It slipped out. But I'm gonna start my own company, and I'm gonna buy all the new good companies to combine them together to see what's up. You know what I'm saying? So now I got the vision. I've been doing this, so I know what's up. I know the prices. I know how to do it. I know how to find them. So now I'm gonna take my money and go find them and put them together. Blank
That's how the
check.
SP500 was started.
Oh yes. SP500.
Anybody want to give me a blank check?
Man. The SP and 500.
I promise you won't regret it.
You want to talk about the SP and 500? What you learned about the SP and 500?
That it's a whole bunch of companies that I need to invest in. It's 500 companies who are doing very, 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 very well.
Good.
I said well.
Good. And another money play.
Would you rather be doing well or good?
One of those companies that's in there, that's another money play is M for Macy's. Yes, Macy's.
We talk about Macy's all day.
Macy's gonna get Macy's at 10.
He's saying the Macy's parade, and he just been talking about Macy's all
Because
day.
anybody who bold enough to go through the coronavirus and still say, you know what, I'm going to do my parade. I don't care what nobody talking about, I'm still going to do my parade. Macy's. I'm rocking with the Macy's, okay?
They did have a whole bunch of people out there with that tree.
Yes, and they were safe. You ain't hear on the news no more about that. Nobody got hurt. No coronavirus spread it. Nothing. Not during the Macy's parade. This is Macy's here, buddy. It's top of the line, JCPenney. Macy's, buddy.
No, why would you mention JCPenney's with Macy's?
You know what? Still, I'm sorry, but top of the line, Macy's. There you go, top of the line, Macy's. But we like Macy's, okay?
You don't even let me shop at Macy's.
Exactly, because that's too expensive for me.
So how you gonna have me believing in Macy's, but you won't even let me get a Macy's credit card?
Because bougie people shop at Macy's. So it's a lot of bougie people in the world, and we need those bougie people to keep on shopping at Macy's. See that? You know, bougie. Macy's. We in there.
Macy's want to give me a credit card. He won't let me get it.
We're not doing that. We're saving and investing money. We're not just spending money at Macy's.
How you want me to invest in other people spending money in the shit I want to buy?
You just can't get one show without you cussing.
You cuss first.
I did not cuss.
You did.
No, I did not. The viewers did not see that. They did not see no cussing. I have to get this for you because you need a refill.
I don't want to drink no more.
Oh, okay. Well,
I'm not like you. I don't just continue.
Well, this is for me. I don't see. I'm not even drinking. See that? The money coach don't drink like that.
So what you finna do?
I'm finna drink my green tea. This is what I'm drinking on.
Is this video over? I'm satisfied.
Yes, the video is over. Thank you. We did about 2, 3, and 1.
Thank you. Subscribe to the moneytalkshowtv.com. Hit the likes, the subscribe button, and find out how to invest in your money and get money, because this is what we're doing. It's not fun, but it's very provocatively paying out.
Paying off like dividends.
Hey, you don't know how I love to spend.
Oh,
when we rocking all day. Money Talk Show TV, baby. We going the long way.
Oh, dividends, long term and investing.
You better learn. This stuff is heaven.
Oh, start your investing thing now. Clicks on the bottom. Go ahead, download it now. Weibo, Robinhood, M1 Finance, TD, Ameritrade. Don't do it too fast. Do your research. Follow the trend. Stock market, I told you.
I learned to invest in.
Hurt your back if you start buying stocks too early.
And you don't know. That's really hurting. Hurting him for a couple of days. The last time we made a video.
Oh, she pulled my foot up. My body ain't been right since then. She pulled my foot up. I think mine got crooked. That's why I was doing videos standing up.
Invest in life insurance.
Yeah, get you some life insurance.
That's right.
We're going to be supplying life insurance.
That's right.
And in the near future, because I definitely need it.
Invest in heat too. Because it's cold in studios. You know, my husband built a studio and it's freezing in here. So I got my jacket on. Invest in General Electric. Electric heat. Yes.
Oh, we told you GE. When we told you about GE, it was
Yeah.
at $8. Now it's at 10. Look at it now. Oh, we told you. Didn't listen.
It's cold in the studio.
Yeah, I gotta buy some heat.
Ain't no sex in this studio.
Not even no champagne. Okay, my back. I think I pulled them up for real. You can't be lifting up my Jordan shoes like that. I hurt my back for real. You got to call my chiropractor. And they got no life insurance. I'm on.
Oh, he got life insurance.